everybody, it's me, Brittany. I know I've been taking a super long break from YouTube. I've actually taken a super long break from social media altogether. I'm actually in our new bathroom. We moved a couple of months back and I just kind of took a break from life. I didn't want to do any recording or any type of content, just kind of focus on my kids and my family. Now that I'm back from summer vacation, I decided that let me go ahead and get back into doing the videos for you guys. So since I'm going to be starting off with doing some new DIYs, I figured that this would be the perfect video to share with you guys with something that I've done in our new home. We have downsized a lot. We were living in a 3-bedroom house with an extra bonus room, and we had a big yard, deck, and all of that. And now we are living in a 2-bedroom loft style apartment in our downtown area. So we have downsized a lot. So I wanted to show you guys this new DIY project that I did a couple of weeks ago and show you how it's holding up. And if you guys were looking for a way to update your bedroom or any room in your house that has windows and you want privacy, this is the perfect thing for you to do. It's very inexpensive. And without further ado, let's get into the video so you guys can see how I transformed one of the rooms in my house by covering my window. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and look out for some more videos coming from me in the future. So part of the purpose of this video was to not only let you guys know that there are alternatives out there if you don't feel like drilling into your walls. I saw this solution on plenty of other YouTube videos, and I really didn't watch anyone install it. So far, you can see I've got some really big air bubbles in, and that's something that's really important to mention, because if you are slightly a perfectionist, the air bubbles will probably irritate you. They're irritating me because I've smoothed out some of them here, but I haven't quite been able to get them out. Now, you're gonna need a squeegee or credit card, something with a hard surface. I'm using a shaver for the deep freezer. And if you don't have something like this, you can get like a plastic spatula. So I just kind of started up here in the corner of my window, and I kind of just pulled the paper down like that as I go. So as I pull, I release some more of the paper. Oh, I pull it from this piece right here, and then you can see more of the paper comes down, and then I have to make sure that I go ahead and use my little flat tool here to push the bubbles out as I go. This took me about 10 minutes, and it's not perfect, but overall, I've got my privacy. It's blurred out, so you can see that you could probably like go out and you can see my hand across the window, but you can't literally see me in the window, and that was my whole point. So this is the top part of my window, and this is the bottom part of my window. It's fresh. It's probably going to take a couple of days for the plastic to expand a little bit, and then I'll probably just go back and straighten out these, or smoothen out these bubbles again. Alright, so here is the finished result, and I'm satisfied with it because it's going to be doing exactly what I want it to do, and it's for privacy purposes. Really quickly, I just want to do a little sample section on the part of my window that I'm not going to be covering up. I want to show you guys what's going to happen when I apply it and what happens when it gets removed. I did wipe both of my windows. So I'm just gonna put this on. So you see, this is the part that I just applied. Here's the window. I'm going to now remove it. So I'm just going to find the corner here and pull it off. And there you go. It seemed like it, nope, it didn't leave any sticky residue or anything. So that's cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.